me, Franny, and today I'm here with
me,
Neza. So today's video.
What are you titling this? All I was told, I sound crazy.
So Neza has allergies.
I'm congested. I have new allergies that I've never had before.
So Neza has allergies.
I'm not gonna be able to taste this food.
But today we are cooking a bougie dinner.
For two.
So I thought it'd be fun to just, you know, cook ourselves a nice fancy dinner. What?
Are you telling me
what?
You didn't buy the packet? You were smashing this?
Yeah. Yeah, look. We're smashing the potatoes, bro. So we are making vegan mashed potatoes and ribeye steak. I also bought a cast iron skillet that's heavier than my effing life.
No way.
Hold it, Neza.
No. Why does it taste better in here?
It's supposed to like cook it better in there. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Does it tell us how to cook it?
I don't understand.
Oh yeah, look, it does. All right, cool, good enough. I also got us a bottle of wine.
Yes, even though I'm not gonna be able to taste it either.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Ugh.
Okay. Oh, there's little spots from the.
Oh, you got yourself some sparkling wine.
How do you do this?
See, it is sparkling.
Ooh. It's thick.
Because it's like a juice. Oh, Franny.
So, Neza, cheers to our fancy dinner.
Cheers to our fancy dinner that we've said we were gonna do for literally months. That is dangerous because that's juice.
So,
it's soda.
I think we could do it without
What are the carrots for?
Oh, so the mashed potatoes that we're making, it's like mashed with carrots and onions in it. We're boiling all this together, and then when it gets soft, we're like mashing it all together.
Okay.
I briefly saw a video, but it's just I feel like it's gonna be too much if we keep trying to like look back and like. So we're gonna wing everything. So we're gonna have to wash. Actually, maybe we should look at the instructions.
Well, yeah, if you actually want to eat this stuff, I recommend we know what we're doing.
So it says 10 to 12 medium yellow potatoes. I feel like that's really excessive.
How many people does this feed?
It's 4.
So we can just split it in half.
Into 2. So 6, maybe 5 or 6. There's so much.
There's so much happening. And then she got the Last Supper over there enjoying the video as well.
Oh my god, what? There's like probably 4 left.
Who ate these? Anyways, 6 potatoes.
It says we need 3 carrots, but we can just do 2. It says 2 onions, maybe just 1.
Yeah.
So now that we grabbed our what the hell am I trying to say?
Necessities. Sorry if I'm so off in this video. I can't breathe, so there's no oxygen going to my brain. Wash them, wash them, wash. Wash them, wash them, wash them.
We actually need to make this good because I'm hungry.
Yeah, Franny actually wants to eat this food, so we're gonna have to really pay attention to what we do.
Good thing is that everything can just be chopped up very roughly because we're just gonna be, you know, just smashed. Hello?
Well, don't we gotta peel it?
Yeah.
We
haven't got there yet.
So
if you want, you could start cutting the onion.
I don't know how to do this.
Here.
Should I watch a YouTube video?
Cut an onion.
There's a specific way to cut an onion. You can't just like chop into it. Do I have to do like very small?
No, they can be like literally quarters. Because
we're boiling this too?
Yeah. So yeah, you can just cut into 4 quarters. How's everyone? What happened?
Like it's like under my.
Those things hurt. Wow, this is a great peeler.
I can't even peel an onion. There's layers, like how Shrek says in Shrek. All right, so I've peeled the onion. Oh my god, it's like the scent is already going up my nose, but even though I can't feel it.
And then you could just do like 4 big chunks, it said, because it's gonna blend. It's gonna get really soft anyways.
Oh my eyes!
Is it burning already? Oh.
It doesn't burn you?
No, not yet. I mean, we could take turns if you want. So.
Do you have a bigger knife?
Bigger?
Like a
thick one?
I can't see it, I don't mind. Praise the Lord. Yes, like this.
Whoa.
One more time. Ha-ha!
One more time.
The onion's been cut into 4 pieces. I can't see.
Maybe cut that into halves, actually. Sorry.
You got some goggles?
Do you want me to cut them and then you do this so you don't cry?
I'm literally crying.
Maybe because I have contacts in.
Could that be it? But like my whole eye is stinging.
So now we're gonna put the water on high.
My mom puts eggs in her mashed potatoes. Like boiled eggs, not like scrambled eggs, because that would be gross.
Alright guys, so now we're putting the onions in. Oh, these are... My mom's gonna come home. She's gonna be like, what?
Where is she? I just realized that no one else is here.
Yeah, they went to the movies.
Aww.
Yeah, young love. Guys, I looked up how to cook steak, and they said the best way is in this pan. It says that each side takes 5 minutes to cook.
Well, it depends on what kind of steak you like, right? Like, if you like pink in it or not.
It says we gotta put some salt in it.
How much?
How much? 1.5. 1 and 1.5 teaspoon of chunky sea salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper.
Do you have measuring utensils now? After how many videos have we done by now? You'd think we would have measuring cups.
We love Snotty McGee in the kitchen.
Comment down below if you're also struggling with allergies this nice fall season.
I will say though, I got us green beans, but they're frozen. We'll pop those in the microwave.
I don't like green beans.
Ah, they're good. So how do we measure this now?
You put it in the same thing.
I'm gonna twist that into this thing?
Correct. Or we can just take the whole lid off. Life hacks. Okay.
Of the garlic powder right there.
Garlic.
2 teaspoons. So I guess just 1 for now. We'll just do 1 teaspoon for now.
Actually,
looks pretty good already.
Yummy. Water and onions and potatoes and carrots and salt and garlic powder.
So now we have to let that boil for probably like 20 minutes-ish, 20-30 minutes, just so it softens. But in the meantime, we can just start getting our steak ready, like marinated.
Okay, let's do it. Season our steak. No way.
Dude,
that's
why it went off when I left the store.
Oh my god, they put sensors
Because
on the
this is
steak.
expensive.
It's expensive. Homeless people go in there.
Leave with it. We should get a paper towel and press it. So they said the best way steak comes out is if you take a lot of the moisture out of it.
Okay. Steak 101 with Franny. Okay, so we're
take another
pressing.
sip of wine. I literally was texting Corey. I'm like, yeah, I don't want to drink either. I texted Corey and Crawford. I was like, what are y'all doing tonight? And he goes, oh, we're at the gym right now, but we don't want to drink. And I was like, nah, me either. I have a glass of wine in my hands. Like,
yeah, we're not drinking for a long time.
Basically, we can season the steak however we want.
You got garlic salt?
Yeah, I think I have. My mom has some.
Franny has onions and carrots in hers now, which might be a good thing. Aren't you supposed to smack it?
Is that how you're supposed to do it?
Aren't you supposed to right? Aren't you supposed to beat your meat?
Neza!
Dave, be careful with that one. And I really didn't mean it at all.
Yeah, I know. You were very sure about it.
But I was like, oh, we already have that.
Shoot, a sip of pepper in that.
We always mess up, right? There was no way that this was all gonna go smoothly. Do you put parsley on steak? Comment down below. I think parsley goes on pizza.
No, you can put it on steak.
Okay, let's start with the garlic powder. Just gonna rub it in.
I know everyone's gonna be like, I have anxiety from all the stuff on the table. Guys, I'm sorry. You know what?
So much stuff.
When you live in a Latina household, y'all know that the kitchens have so much stuff in them.
Everyone has the Last Supper in here. Everyone has magnets all over the fridge.
Magnets, fruits everywhere, alcohol. There's just so much stuff everywhere, but it's fun, you know? I remember.
How do you do this? We're smart people.
No, oh, that part. Jeez, you busted up the whole thing. She was like, salt. She was like,
I don't, ow!
Sorry. I did not hit you that hard.
You did, play it back.
Play it back like I'm punching.
Yeah. Ooh, pepper strong. Oh, that's some fresh pepper.
Now I'm just gonna let that sit in there for a hot second and let's see what happens.
Did you get any A1 sauce or anything like that?
No.
What are we supposed to eat the steak with? God dang it, I should have ran this over with you. She's like, I'm at the grocery store, come pick me up.
I was like, Nezra, can you come pick me up?
She's like, I bought everything, and I was like, okay. Did your parents ever put a frozen steak, if you had a bruise or a black eye? Is that a myth?
I remember seeing it in movies.
Yeah, but I think it's a real thing.
Yeah, I mean, anything cold. Put that in there for now. Put that in there. We're cleaning up, guys, I promise. I'm a clean person. All right, guys, so we have our steak seasoned. We're just gonna leave them out for a little bit. Well, because we're waiting for that to just kind of soften. It'll probably be another 20 minutes or so. We don't want to cook the steak just yet because we want it to be nice and warm and juicy.
Yeah.
Because I think steak only takes a couple of minutes, I think max 10 minutes to cook. I don't think it takes that long. Honestly, at this point, we should probably look up how to cook a steak on a cast iron skillet. So it's been about, it was 10 minutes.
It was not long at all.
Yeah, it honestly took 10 minutes for the potatoes and everything to just kind of get soft. So this is vegetable broth. Everyone's like, I don't care.
Where are we pouring that over?
That's when we
Mashed
start
potatoes?
mashing it. Oh my god.
Okay.
Wow.
Look at her go.
A facial.
A facial because of steam.
Yeah. It's already.
This smells so good.
It
you guys.
does.
Even though I can only smell out of one nostril, it smells good.
Now we just drain this.
If that had just like all plopped on the floor, I would have been out. Put that hot boiling pot over here for the people to see. Yay!
So now we gotta really put some arm strength
Guys,
into
it looks
it.
great. Well, show the people.
Oh.
This is before. There's just a bunch of stuff. We don't put any like milk or anything in it?
No, the lady just said just mash it, and then she said to add a little. Ha! That's hot. She said to add a little bit of this, make it like a little.
That's a lot. Oh yeah, I understand.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So instead of adding like dairy and butter, I have vegan butter that actually I'm gonna add. But yeah, she's like, you don't need all that butter.
Everyone's like, why are you guys making vegan mashed potatoes when you're eating steak? That makes sense.
I try to avoid dairy people. She added more like salt and garlic and stuff. Are you okay? She's like,
I'm going through it. What did we add originally? We added.
no, it's good. We just have to add more salt and garlic for sure. I haven't like made mashed potatoes like this.
I have never, ever.
Really?
Yeah, I mean for Thanksgiving, like my family does it.
More
salt? Girl, you like your food salty. Way saltier than mine.
Dude, just try it though.
Sorry. Oh yeah, no, that needs a lot of salt. There's been times when I've eaten with Franny though, and I'm eating my food and I'm like, oh my god, this is so good. And she's putting pounds of salt on it, and I'm like, I thought that was pretty salty.
I'm a salada person, as my
I don't like it.
aunt would say to me. Every time my aunt would cook and stuff when I was younger, I'd always ask for more salt. She's like, ay, Franny, es tan salada.
Yeah.
All right.
Maybe that pounder thing.
What?
That like wooden mallet that you have.
No, that's for guapanela.
For what?
Guapanela.
Chunks of onion are so big.
I know, it's pretty aggressive, but F it. All right.
Now what?
So this apparently is gonna take like a couple seconds.
Yeah, so we googled how to cook steak the way we like, and apparently it only takes like 5 minutes, so.
We might as well put the green beans
In the microwave?
Wait, you don't even like green beans?
I do not like green beans.
Dude, that's not even gonna make up. There's gonna be so much food.
Yeah, I don't like green beans.
We'll just have mashed potatoes and steak.
Great.
So Nez and I both like our steaks like medium well. We don't like them too pink or anything. We have to like let the steak cook on each side for like a minute or two, and then after that like keep like flipping it until the inside of it gets to 145 degrees. I have never cooked a steak like this before. I don't think I've ever cooked steak before.
Neither. I have a lot, but I've never properly cooked, so this might be a game changer for me.
Dude, is it hot?
I don't know, touch it. Use your fancy little thermometer.
Dude, this thing will blow up, I think, if I put it on the...
I know. It said to literally wait until it was like blazing hot, but how are we supposed to know? Franny!
Ooh, it's hot. Like my fingers sizzled.
Okay, yeah, so no.
Your fingers
Did you hear it?
No. It was our cast iron skillet is hot now.
It's so hot.
I'm kind of nervous, dude.
Hold on, I don't feel prepared.
What do you mean?
I don't know, we just gotta be ready. We have like a 2-minute window.
We put both of them on at the same time, right?
No!
No?
No!
Just one at a time then?
Yeah, because then you have to move it around. Okay.
Oh, what the?
Keep moving it around. Okay, don't be scared about it now.
I'm so scared, dude.
How are we supposed to leave it on the side? And then we flip it?
Flip it?
I'm supposed to get cooked the sides.
How we gonna cook the sides? I knew Nez and I could cook a steak.
We haven't finished yet. Oh my god, there's so much smoke in the air right now.
Is it?
Kill me. How are you not feeling that in your eye? I have a solution. I will just be blindfolded for now. This isn't helping.
Let's see what this is at now, people.
It's literally like going so slow. If it hits 140, we out. We pulling that out.
God, my hands are burning.
I can't believe how long we were just staring at
We're gonna
this
go
thing.
cook this steak right now, and when we're done, we'll come back. This is heinous. All right, bye.
A few moments later.
Guys, so we have finished
Yeah.
this steak.
We cooked mine off camera because we just this process was
Look
just a lot.
at Neza's steak because she flattened it. Look how
I
big
flattened it and stretched it out before I threw it in the thing,
Like,
so it's like
It looks
massive.
huge. No more is that.
That's fine, Franny.
Guys, presentation-wise,
We just plopped it on the plate. Like there's no
presentation-wise, probably like 5 out of 10.
Oh my gosh.
Ready?
Okay.
Bro, so good.
I think we left mine for too long.
Is it too cooked?
No, I mean it's like perfectly well done. Like it's not overcooked at all, but like there's no more pink.
Did you try mashed potatoes?
Oh my god, yeah.
They taste like normal.
They taste normal. I've
taste-
never had mashed potatoes with carrots in them. Oh my gosh, you guys. Success!
We did it!
Such a success. Wow. I really didn't expect much from us.
The steak is like even though it's well done, it's still so like
It's so nice.
it
It's
melts
so
in your
soft.
mouth. Someone wife me up, wife us up. I can make you steak.
Mashed vegan mashed potatoes. We're gonna try this with a little barbecue.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna close out this video right now because we have done our duty. We made some vegan mashed potatoes, a ribeye steak that tastes phenomenal.
It's so good.
Can I say?
It's so good.
We did it. Cheers, Ness.
Cheers to us being
Wifey material.
yeah, wipe us up.
Who wants a steak? I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on what other videos you'd like to see me do. If you want to see us do another cooking video. I mean, they take about 4 hours to film, but it's fun.
nighttime.
Put those push notifications on so when I upload, you'll know exactly when I do. Do not forget to subscribe. Go check out Neza's channel. I'll leave a link down below.
Yeah, come subscribe.
And yeah, guys, I love you. And I'll talk to you later.
Love you.
Bye.
Goodbye. Love you so much.
Bye.
Running right back to you whenever I want it.
Enjoy that steak, Neza.
Oh yeah,
That $15 steak.
$15?